In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad M5, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So starting off, we will need to shut off the device, so hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're gonna hold volume up and power key simultaneously. So right now, volume up and power key. You can let go once you see the HUAWEI. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. I'm just gonna lay it like this so it's easier to read. So from here, you will have three options: reboot system now, wipe data, factory reset, or wipe cache partition. So select the last option by just simply tapping on it, get a little progress, and then it's finished. And now all you need to do is just tap on reboot system now to boot back up into the normal Android. And as you can see, we're back in the normal Android, so let me just put in the code. And the process is now fully finished. So that is basically how you wipe cache partition. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.